In this video, I'm going to show you how to make desktop icons bigger or smaller on Windows 10. So to make bigger or smaller desktop icon, so right click anywhere. Now hover cursor to view. Here you will see option large icons, medium icons and small icons. So select as your requirement like small icons. So now you have more space on your desktop screen. Again right click, view and select medium icons, and this third option is large icons. So like this guys, you can make desktop icons bigger or smaller on Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video.